This is episode 2119 of your daily meditation podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I honor you for being right here where you are. In today's episode, you're going to discover a breathing technique to help you clear your mind so that you can listen to what your body is telling you. So get ready to settle yourself down, and I'll share a little insight with you, and then I'll guide you through a breathing technique. I want to share with you a quote that goes along with this week's series. The theme we're exploring this week is how to live in moderation, or to live more simply. And this is following the yamas of Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, a classic book written several thousand years ago that has to do with living right, living well, so that you feel connected to not only yourself, but the world around you. Know that the full 30-minute guided meditations are on an app I have called the Sip and Om Meditation app. So if you want to go a little more deeply into a particular series, you can try the app with over 2,000 guided meditations for 2 weeks free. You also receive a weekly journal as well as a slow down guide for the whole week. The quote I share with you is for you to keep in mind as you meditate today. It's by Patanjali, and he says, "When the mind is clear, empty of memories and knowledge, things are seen exactly as they are." And that is what the fourth yama we're exploring this week about moderation or abstinence or living more simply is all about. So think about in your life ways you can cut back or cut down, especially as we go through a pandemic. You might think of how you can reserve your energy, because it takes a lot of energy to constantly keep up with all that's going on in the news these days. So think about how you could best use your focus and your energy. Your focus is at an all-time premium these days. Take care to direct it towards something that's positive each day, rather than reflecting on the fear of the future, the uncertainty. Focus on what's good right in front of you. And chances are that is something simple. Maybe it's a conversation you had with a loved one. Maybe it's a walk out in nature in a beautiful park, because you're not able to go to some of the places that you normally visit. Maybe it's how you prepared a favorite recipe in a new way. Focus on what is positive. You have a challenge this week. Your challenge is to focus on what brings you joy within yourself, rather than what outside of you creates joy in your life. So maybe these quiet moments of stillness you give to yourself become the best part of your day, rather than something that you might do with someone else, drawing your focus outside of yourself or going somewhere exciting. The quiet time you spend with yourself can help you focus and clear your mind. So as you get ready to do the meditation technique for today, begin to calm your mind and your body. Sitting up straight and keeping your eyes slightly elevated upward. As you do today's breathing technique, you'll combine it with the affirmation you explored in yesterday's episode. The affirmation for this week is peace and happiness are within me. So as you begin to calm your mind and your body, as you inhale, mentally affirm peace and happiness. As you exhale, release your breath as though you're spreading your peace and happiness within you. Inhale peace and happiness. Exhale are within me. Inhale peace and happiness. Exhale are within me. Continue breathing. Doing this breathing technique anytime you need to clear your mind so you can focus on what matters most. You are so worth slowing down for.